Amid the ongoing pro-Palestine protests that have now spread from the United States to neighboring nations such as Canada and Mexico, Yemen's Iran-backed Houthi militants, whose support for Hamas have disrupted global shipping, are now offering a place to suspended students from US universities. Several students across the US campuses have been rallying and setting up encampments in support of the Hamas terrorist group, demanding that schools divest from companies that support Israel's government. Applauding the humanitarian position of the students in the United States, Houthi-run Sana University extended an offer to the suspended students who had held pro-Hamas protests, stating that they could continue their studies in Yemen. Pro-Palestine protests broke out in several countries this week as the Israel-Gaza war approaches its 7th month. More than 2,100 students have been arrested across 35 US university campuses so far, a shocking 40% of whom are outsiders, believed to be negatively influencing and manipulating students. Demonstrators have also called on US President Joe Biden, Israel's strongest ally, to take more actions to stop the bloodshed in Gaza. This move by the Houthis to welcome students coincides with the United States and Britain's latest move to designate Houthi as a terrorist group, given their disruptive activities in the Red Sea ever since the Israel-Gaza conflict erupted. In a significant show of support to the Hamas terrorist group, the Yemen-based Houthi group has been disrupting maritime security, forcing ships to divert to the Gulf of Aden, which has a much longer route.